Hello friends, this is my terrace garden on third floor and I have witnessed all the seasons, severe winters, summers, hot days, heavy rainfall, storms and time of calm and peace, and I have enjoyed every moment. Chirping of birds, colorful flowers, they have all given me happiness. And I am connected with you because of this. I want to share with you my pleasure and let this hobby grow in every house. Today I will be showing you an interesting method of growing these Portulaca flowers. They are very beautiful, easy to grow, easy to maintain, and variety of colors: pink, white, magenta, yellow, red color, single petals, double petals, with beautiful thick succulent leaves. And best part is they can be grown in very small pot and also in big pots with variety of shades. And they are so easy to grow and maintain. They can be displayed in various forms. And with the rising of sun, they start blooming. An entire day is colorful in your garden. Today I will be showing you a very interesting method to grow them, how they can look fuller in basket. I have taken garden soil, and in this I will be mixing, this is cow dung manure, vermicompost and sand. It needs nice porous well drained soil. With the beginning of summer and throughout summer season, you can grow these plants with the help of cuttings. They can easily grow from very small cuttings too. This is mother plant which I had preserved during winter in shed. For planting cuttings, keep the soil moist. To give a fuller look to the hanging basket, you can have many cuttings in one pot. I have taken around 12 to 13 cuttings for this hanging basket. The cuttings should be healthy. Even small cuttings easily grow. You can also cut these stems with flowers and buds too. They also grow easily. Morning or evening time is best for planting these cuttings. We can also grow these plants with the help of seeds, but seeds are very fine, so we have to take more care in that process. Now it's time to water well so that there are no air pockets in soil. And once this is done, we have to keep this pot in shed for 2 to 3 days. Then water only when the soil is dry next time. For more flowering in these Portulaca plants, it has to be kept open in sunny spots. Blazing sun gives excellent result. And we have to water them regularly in the morning, but limited water. In rainy season, we have to see that there is no overwatering done so that root rotting problem is avoided. In rainy season, for healthy and disease free plants, I spray neem water to these plants. Bitter neem trees are commonly found in India, and I generally collect and keep these leaves in dry form. Whenever it is needed, I boil these leaves in water and use that water for spray to plants. And friends, this round earthen pot is filled with nice fertile soil from my garden. And here Portulaca stems are thriving very well. This pot I have kept for my cuttings during rainy season, which I develop in this pot. And this pot is nicely sitting on my compost bin. In my garden at places I have kept such bin for keeping garden waste, leaves whenever I clean garden, and even vegetable peels, so my compost get ready. Soon I will be sharing such ideas with you how to compost at home. Till then, goodbye friends, love you. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share for happy gardening together. Love you friends.